The dual SIM Nano Vivo S1 Prime runs on Android 9 Pie with Funtouch OS 9.2 on top. It features a 6.38-inch Full HD plus 1080 x 2340 pixels AMOLED display. The phone is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC. Paired with 8GB of RAM. The Vivo S1 Prime has 128GB of internal storage. Speaking of optics, the Vivo S1 Prime sports a diamond-shaped quad rear camera setup that features a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide-angle f/2.2 lens, and two 2-megapixel sensors with an f/2.4 lenses for depth sensing and macro photography. For selfies, the Vivo smartphone comes with a 16-megapixel selfie sensor at the front along with an f/2.0 lens. Vivo S1 Prime has a 4500 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and USB Type-C port. The device comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Besides, the phone measures 159.25 x 75.19 x 8.68 mm and weighs 190.2 grams. Vivo S1 Prime is priced at 389,800 Malaysian ringgit, roughly Rs 21,700 for the single 8GB plus 128GB storage model. It comes in two color options, Jade Black and Nebula Blue. The device is already on sale in Malaysia via Vivo online store. Shipping is set to begin from August 15. No official announcement has yet been made by Vivo regarding its release in India or other countries.